Chapter 9, Safety Tips for Buying and Selling on Craigslist. That means you should be aware of the safety also. It is essential to remember that there are some bad people in the world. That means you want to make deal with people. So these are real people. They are not people on internet. So you are meeting them in real life also. So we should be aware of our own safety for buying and selling on Craigslist. So it is essential to remember that there are some bad people in the world. That means there are some thieves, or there are some people who misbehave, or there are some people who can who can even kill you, or who can even they are bad enough for uh, causing something harm to you. So there are some bad people in the world. Now do not post your address. Do not post your address means if you post your postal address, so it will be convenient for you, as the seller will come to your house or buyer will come to your house, but it may threat your privacy also, or it can affect your security also. So there are some bad people in world, they can affect your privacy also. Now, so do not post your address. So it is important not to give information where you live, where you are traveling. So we have to be aware of that. Be smart. Do not tell guy that is purchasing your laptop to come on over home. So do not tell that guy that is purchasing your laptop to come to over home. So this is the same topic again, that is we have to be smart enough to not give someone our postal address. So we should be smart enough. Now meet him at Walmart or at local park where it is public place. So what we should do then, where we should meet those people? So we should meet them at a grocery store, or at a shopping mall, or at a, what we can say, jogging park, etc. So which is where it is a public place and there is a less condition that it will harm you. So this is, we have to be smart. So these are safety tips on Craigslist.